Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Freedom. In this video, I will be analyzing Argo Blockchain, the potential impact of the Bitcoin crash on the share price of Argo, and I will also be talking about what we can do from here. First things first, guys, do not panic no matter what the situation. We have been through previous Bitcoin crashes over the last 3 months, and on Monday morning, Argo shares might open below $2, but this is nothing to panic about. This is what happens in the crypto markets. And at any point of time, we need to be prepared for a Bitcoin correction in the range of 20 to 30%. And now let's do a detailed price analysis of Argo and Bitcoin. These are those difficult times in the Bitcoin world. As we see here, Bitcoin has crashed from an all-time high of around 65,000 to a low of around 51,000. On Monday morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, if BTC is around 55 or 56K, expect Argo shares to open 10% lower, if not more. Guys, the entire crypto market has been hit. On the 4-hour chart, we can see this massive red candle over here. And in fact, half of this candle is the downside wick. Now, these are just panic sellers who are not holding on to their position. They are worried about things like Turkey banning Bitcoin. This is all just temporary, and within a few weeks, this news is not even going to be a factor anymore. Every year, there are reports that Bitcoin will be made illegal, but Bitcoin is still here and has now also been adopted by institutions. So now there is even less reason to be worried about the authenticity of Bitcoin. What happened on Saturday is basically people acting emotionally and selling due to the drop. Also, these sellers, they're going to come back in later on when BTC is around 65,000 in a month's time. These people, they're going to be a part of the FOMO crowd. Those that are HODLing Bitcoin right now during this correction, they are the ones who believe in the fundamental aspects of Bitcoin and its true value proposition. 23.6% of all US dollars were created in the last year. During this period of stimulus being provided, Bitcoin is a better store of value than the US dollar, and we should all be well aware of this, considering what's been going on over the last 6 months. We are in an inflationary environment, and this is the time to hold Bitcoin. Retail traders should not be selling Bitcoin back to the institutions. Guys, if you find the content valuable and if you would like to support the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. It really does help out the channel. The time that you feel like selling, that is exactly the time when you should be buying. Please do not sell your Argo shares. If you sell your Argo shares at around $2, then after a month or so, when Bitcoin is back at its all-time highs and Argo shares are flying around $3, you will feel very disappointed. Now let's talk about where Bitcoin might be heading next. Bitcoin will now be in a period of consolidation that could last between 2 to 3 weeks. I feel 51,000 might be the bottom of this correction, or it could be very close to the bottom. This is a great opportunity to buy Bitcoin around 55,000 to 58,000 as BTC is on sale right now. And this opportunity, it's not going to be there after a few weeks. On the upside, we need to go above 58,000 over here, which was a support level earlier, but then we just broke right through it and went down from around 59K to about 51K. On this channel, we have been following different Bitcoin mining companies like Argo Blockchain, Mara, and Neptune Digital Assets. There will be opportunities this week, guys, to accumulate shares at lower prices. Now look at these red candles on the Argo chart. On the downside, Argo might go down to 1.74 over here, or worst case scenario to 1.48. During this week from the 19th to the 23rd of April, if Argo does go down to these levels, this is the time to buy at these bargain prices. If you want to buy, then you have to determine your entry levels in advance and place limit orders, as there could be a wick down to these trend lines during this week. We have to remember that there are institutions that have bought at 200 pence, which is about 2.77 USD. So you will be buying about 30% below what the institutions have paid, or even lower than that, depending on the price action during the week. Please just don't buy at 9:30 a.m. when the market opens. It's quite volatile at that time. Let the price stabilize and then make an informed decision. Please do your due diligence and research before buying shares of Argo. That's it for this video. If you would like to support the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Happy trading and see you in the next video.